Hello guys, welcome to another great video, in which you will get all the information about Forex market. Our trading is price action based only so that you can easily understand. I use different strategies according to the market. If you want more information you can watch my previous videos. Today we will trade in US dollar versus Swiss franc, where you will be told step-by-step analysis, from which you can easily learn. First of all, take the rectangle tool and apply it on this place, because market is taking multiple times support here. Our complete analysis will be based on this support level. This is a very strong area, we can't ignore it. We will again take the rectangle tool and place it in this place, because this is the strong resistance area of the market. Sometime in the future the market will move at this level. We will get to see the reversal point. Here we can clearly see that the market is moving up and down again and again in the same place. This is what we call consolidation. To understand this better, we will use arrow lines. Market moved up from here and created a resistance level. We'll take another arrow line, then the market went back down from here. Again the market went up with support. From above again come down towards support with resistance. Again the market went up with high momentum taking support. Going up the market only come till this did not go down. And this time the market gave a breakout on the upside. The market was falling in the same place for the last 8 days, but today broke that consolidation zone and going up with full pressure. Here buyers wins and sellers loses. The market was in an uptrend since last 20 days, where we got to see the consolidation zone in the middle. We are getting very good buying opportunity here. We'll take advantage of this opportunity. Don't you all leave such a chance wherever you see resistance breakout or trendline breakout, so he can take trade with proper analysis and risk management. The market should go down from here but didn't go down. Gave breakout to the top. We will take a trade on the uptrend side if the market breaks down the support below, so we would take the selling trade because the sellers would have won there. I have $3,000 in my account which we will try to grow. I will use lot size 0.10 because I have already calculated my risk in the position size calculator. See you after placing trade. Okay guys, we have placed the trade. We are neither in profit nor in loss. Let's see where we go. Our analysis is correct, and according to the analysis, the market has given a breakout where we took the trade. Guys, let me tell you that there is no 100% strategy in the market. If there was a 100% strategy, he would be the richest person in the world, but no trader is the richest person in the world. If we analyze the market on 4 hours time frame, then the market was in a strong uptrend since early August. But the market consolidation was happening for the last few days and today gave a breakout. Here my stop loss will be 35 pips below the resistance area. If the market comes back into consolidation zone, our stop loss will be hit. And my target point will be 51 pips above, where the market will make a new higher high. Right now my target point will not be visible because the market has not reached there since last few days. Finally $129 is loss. Never mind guys, we have taken trade with proper risk management. I know how much my maximum loss will be. If you also know before taking a trade how much is my loss, so your psychology will improve a lot. Come on, we have completed the work till here. Our entry is on right timing. Now we just have to wait when should the market hit our stop loss or target point. Currently red candle is forming because here we can get to see reversal candle. The market retest at the first small level ever. After giving a breakout later it retests to a higher level and goes up. If your trade is missed on breakout, so when the market comes to retest then you can take the trade. See you after some time. Very nice move. The market went as we thought. It is our good fortune that the market has made us profit. We got this profit after 24 hours 53 minutes. Had to wait 1 day for this. I want to tell you, if you have patience then you can make profit in the market. If you keep buying and selling again and again you will always be in loss. Meets after the target point is hit.
A few moments later.
Our target has been hit. We followed our rules. The market went up very well. Let's close the trade. My target has been achieved. My profit is running at $1,815. I am closing the trade. Guys, I had deposited $3,000. The one who grew $4,957. this is 60% of our account. This was a high probability trade as the market gave a breakout after a very long period of time, which indicates to us that there will be a big move in the market. Such patterns are sometimes seen in the market where you can trade. The market went from here to there after giving a breakout, which is a good move that hit our target. Remove these arrows, now they are of no use. This arrow has expired. If your analysis is correct and you follow the risk management, then you can become profitable trader. Here we are getting buying opportunity again. Let me explain to you. The market is going upwards by forming support for this trend line. This second trend line will create a trend channel. It is acting like trend line resistance. Whenever the market comes near this trend line, we get to see a reversal. In future also, it will work like a resistance trend line until the market breaks. Here we see another supply demand area. The market took the first resistance at this place, but in future it can act as support. Here resistance becomes support strategy will work. The market has to come down for retracement. That is the nature of the market. Market will come to this place to retest or retracement, only then we will place buying trade. 80 to 90% chance the market should move up from here because the strong trend of the market is an uptrend, or we might see another cool move. Let's remove this big one supply demand zone. Their work also ends. Now let's wait how long the market comes down to retest.
3:28 a.m.
After few hours we are back again with the same setup. The market come down just as we expected. Here we will again go to the buying trade. We had hoped that the market would go up by making it support, but the market took support here, and now going up. This is another high probability trade. Quickly let us place the trade. The market is ready to go up. I am using the same lot size in this trade as I robbed earlier.
Flow like water, some going mainstream.
Guys, so far our work is over. My profit is running around $10. Even if this trade of ours goes to loss, we will not be in loss. This is our high probability setup. It always makes us profit. In this trade my stop loss will be below 35 pips, whereas my supply demand area and my target point will be above 70 pips, where the market will make new higher highs. Our target point is also trend line. Guys, our profit has increased from $10 to $89, which is good for us.
That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing and I maintain flow like water, so I'm going.
Now let's wait in how much time the market hits our target. If the market goes according to our setup, we will book a substantial profit. If the market gives a breakout on the lower trend line, then our stop loss will be hit. Till then, enjoy you. See you after a few hours.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta...
We got to see a very good move, guys. Our target is hit, which took 22 hours and 7 minutes. Even this took close to a day to hit the target. Our prediction was correct. What we analyzed, the market went the same way. I fixed both trend lines a bit so that our setup looks better. Market is currently near our trend line, whichever we can get to see the reversal. The market had made a double bottom here, due to which we were sure that the market will go up. If you already know in which direction the market will go, you stay in the trade. Let me close my trade. My target has been achieved. Guys, my profit is $3,154 more than we expected.
Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
I had deposited $3,000 in this account, which is for $8,224 with proper risk management. If you see our return in this trading session, then 170% has come, which is a very good return. After we took the trade, the market went up to 80 to 90 pips. You can also use this strategy practice as much as you can until you start making profit. To learn something from this live trading video, let's meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching this video.
I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich.